Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the annual Masters match. We have past quizzes from Dinthill Technical and Old Harbour High. Our scores: Dinthill Technical Masters are on 24. Old Harbour High are ahead on 32. Let's get into the buzzer challenge, please. Not yet, Old Harbour. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning this Masters Classic. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. With that, we begin, teams, with Bible knowledge. How many chapters are in the book of Matthew? Dinthill Technical.
28.
That's right. Biology. What is the name of the period of growth between cell divisions? Old Harbour.
Interphase.
That's right. English language. Form an adjective from the word talk. Dinthill.
Talkative.
That's right. International affairs, a visual one. Teams, look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. U.S. First Lady Jill Biden. Chemistry. What is the UPAC name for laughing gas? Old Harbour.
Nitrous oxide.
Dinitrogen oxide or dinitrogen monoxide. Music and audio one. Look at the following clip, teams, and identify this singer, please. Listen to the following clip. Listen. Dinthill.
Coffee.
That's right, general knowledge. How many popes preceded Pope Francis, the current head of the Roman Catholic Church? 265. Spanish. Translate into English. Las uvas son buenas para nosotros. Old Harbour.
Grapes are good for us.
Okay, that's correct. Geography. Which is the most ductile of all metals? Or Dinthill.
Copper.
Correct. Platinum. Theatre and cinema, visual, and teams. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Dinthill Technical.
Denzel Washington.
Correct. Information technology. What is the name given to small text files created by an internet website which are stored on the user's computer and contain information? Old Harbour.
Cookie. Yes. Cookie.
That can help speed access. Correct. Cookies. History. The War of the Roses were a series of battles between the House of Old Harbour.
York.
1453.
Years.
Year.
1618 to 48.
1848.
No, we wanted the House of York, Lancaster, and which other royal house? Mathematics. What is the compound interest on $500 for 2 years at 10% per Dinthill?
$100.
$105. Physics. Recording of a sound on tape was first invented by which Danish engineer?
Easy.
Valdemar Paulsen. Sport. Look at the monitor, teams, and identify this person. Dinthill Technical.
Kobe Bryant.
The late Kobe Bryant. Correct. Jamaican heritage. In what year was the Ward Theatre first? Old Harbour.
1912.
Correct. French. What number is 22? Old Harbour.
2, yes. 22.
That's right. Literature. Which West Indian wrote the novel Old Harbour?
Roger Mays.
Brother Man. Correct. Art. Which Jamaican artist created the 1975 piece Woman Husking Old Harbour?
Woman husking corn. Whitney Miller.
Woman Husking Corn. Correct. Bible knowledge. Which man in the Bible had daughters named Jemima? Dinthill.
Job.
Jemima and Karen Happuck. Correct. Biology. What specific section of the brain helps to regulate breathing? Heart. Old Harbour.
Medulla oblongata.
That's right. English language. Give a 10-letter word beginning with C, which means a picture, description, or imitation. Old Harbour.
Caricature.
That's correct, with a grotesque effect. Local affairs. Who is the Member of Parliament for Central Manchester? Old Harbour.
Rhoda Crawford.
Correct. Chemistry. What is the chemical formula for sulfurous acid? Dinthill.
H2SO3.
Correct. Music. Beyonce Knowles, Kelly Rowland, and Michelle Williams. Old Harbour.
Destiny's Child.
Are members of which American group? Correct. General knowledge. Shinto is a religion which is dominant. Old Harbour.
Japan.
And indigenous to which country? Correct. That is the final bell, signifying the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. Scores look to be Dinthill Technical Masters on 34, Old Harbour High Masters on 52. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.